Hello friends, welcome back to another solution video. In this video, I will be providing you the solution of our arcade trivia GUS week 2 second lab solution Dataflow quick start Python. Now before starting the solution of this lab, I simply want to inform you that I already uploaded the solution of the next two lab. इस बार हम नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ चल रहे हैं. So I already provided the solution of these two lab that you can access from the playlist. And एक एक करके सारी labs के solution जो है update होते जाएंगे. So I will be leaving the link of this playlist in the description box. तो वहाँ से जाके access कर लेना and बाकी की labs भी complete कर लेना. Okay, so now without wasting time, start this lab. It would be a very easy lab. Just follow me. Click on start lab button and wait for the credentials to be loaded up. Credentials are required to log in into the Google Cloud platform. Wait for the credentials, then right click upon open Google Cloud console and open it in incognito window. Make sure to open only in incognito. Okay. Now it will logged in you to the Google Cloud console. Click on I understand and you get redirected to the Google Cloud dashboard. Now on the dashboard you will see a pop-up of terms and condition which we have to accept. So click on this checkbox and click on agree and continue. Now you have to activate your Cloud Shell. So click on this top right icon, activate Cloud Shell button. Just start to establish the connection with the Cloud Shell for you. So wait for it to get established. Click on continue. While it's loading, in that time simply come back to the lab, go to the description of the video, and in the description you will find the link of this GitHub file. Okay, here you have to copy the first code by clicking on this copy button. Now make sure before using this script you should check all the steps by yourself if you want to learn about this. So the Google Cloud itself providing you the step-by-step solution, so you can definitely check out what they are informing you, what they are teaching you. So yes, this script is only for the educational purpose. You have to paste the code here and don't press enter right now. Okay, don't press enter, you have to paste your region, given region. So let's come back to the lab, click on setup and environment, and here somewhere you would be able to see your given region. So let's locate that. Okay, so under the set the region tab you would be able to see your given region. In your case it could be different. My case is US central one, so I will copy this much, come back to here, paste it after the equals to and hit enter button. Now once your region is set, you can simply come back to the GitHub file and copy the remaining second code by clicking on this second copy button. Copy it, come back to here, paste it here and hit enter button and wait for this command to get executed. As soon as this command get executed, your lab would be finished. Now don't disturb this lab, wait for this command to get executed. 2 से 3 मिनट में execute हो जाएगा. In that time what you can do, go to the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button and press the notification icon so you won't be missing any upcoming video notification. Now sit back and relax and wait for this command to get executed. Now don't worry, this command is taking a little bit longer time. It's already been 4 minutes in this command, but it's still executing. तो wait करना है, 4 से 5 मिनट लगभग लग जाएंगे. So it's totally fine. Just wait for it to get executed. So the code is being stuck at this part. So let's see if the lab is finished or not. Just come to the task number. Scroll down a little bit, click on check my progress, and let's see if we are getting the green tick or not. If we get the green tick for the first task, let's check for the remaining one. Click this. If we get the green tick in this task as well, फिर हमारी चीज़ें हो चुकी हैं. Yes. We get the green tick for both the tasks, task number 1 and task number 2 and required. You don't need to submit this. We get the green tick for both the check my progress. It means our lab is completed. And यहाँ पर हमारा code stuck हो गया था, so that's why nothing to be worried about if it's not executing perfectly. यहाँ पर आके अगर रुक जा रहा है तो आपको भी यहाँ वापस आना है. Just get the green tick for both the tasks. Congratulations, now lab is completed. Click on end lab button. Click on end lab button once again. Hit the star rating. Click on submit button. Come back to main page to verify whether we actually get the green tick in the lab or not. For it, scroll down on the module, open it. You will see that we get the green tick beside our lab. It means we successfully completed this lab. So if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or on the WhatsApp group. Thank you very much. Goodbye.